YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking chapter 4th of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access, writing and many more courses. You can contact me for your any assignment help, or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Focusing on the title of assignment, XP22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 EBL Supporting Goods. You can see this title of assignment. Now you can see the project description. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Question 1 is just start about Excel. You can see this. You can download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay. You can see this. Start Excel. Download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 Inventory XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. You can download this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now question number 2 is that freeze the panes at cell B2 so that the columns labels do not scroll off screen. Basically in this question we will use freeze panes at cell B2 so that the column label do not scroll off screen. Okay, you will follow my video and you will do this assignment to see my video and you will got A plus grades, my guarantee. Now freeze pane at cell B2, freeze the panes at cell B2, cells B2, here is cell B2, and then click on view tab. Simply go to the view tab. Okay, simply go to the view tab. First we will click on cell B2 and then you will click on view tab. I am doing this assignment very slow because you will understand better. Okay, here is view tab and then click on freeze pane. Okay, freeze panes. You can see this cell B2 and then go to the view tab and then click on freeze pane. This question is completed. Freeze the panes at the P2 so that column label do not scroll off screen. This is good now. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, convert the data to a table and name the table inventory 2024. Basically in this question we will have to convert the data to a table. We will select our data and then convert into table, and then we will name the table to inventory 2024. Okay, first we will click in the data and then we will go to the insert tab and then we will insert our data into a table. Okay, then we will convert the data to a table. Moving on Excel workbook, click on table and then click on insert tab. Simply click on insert tab, click on table and then press OK. You can see this. Where is the data for your table? All columns and rows. Then convert to the tables. You can copy this name, inventory 2024. You can copy this name and then moving on Excel workbook. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Okay, and the name of table is inventory. You can rename name is here. Table name is inventory 2024. You can type here and press enter. Okay, or you can copy and paste here. Table name will be changed inventory 2024. Now moving on next question. Next question is that question 4. Apply light green table style light 18 to the table. Basically in this question we will change the table style. Table style is that light green table style light 18 to the table. Okay, apply light green. Basically in this question we will change the style of table. table design. First we will go to the table design and then we will go to the table style. Okay, and then go to the lights design and then we will choose table style light 18 to the table. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on table design, then click on table style. Okay, simply click on table style. Simply click on table style. Then you can choose this table style light green 18. Okay, light green table style light 18. Okay, you can apply this style on this table light green table style light 18. Okay, now moving on next question. This question is done. You can apply this on this table. This style will be applied. Now moving on question number 5. Sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by units price, smallest to largest, then by department. Question 5 is that sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price, smallest to largest, and then by department. Create a custom sort order for department so that it's displays in the sequence training, athletic, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. Okay, basically in this question we will sort the table is that warehouse A to Z, and then by units price we will add 3 sorts in this table. Okay, sort the table by warehouse A to Z. Moving on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook, click on warehouse and then click on home tab and then click on sort and filter is here. You can see right corner, find and select and sort and filter. Okay, first we will click on home tab and then we will go to the sort and filter. Click on custom sort. First is that warehouse. You can select first is warehouse and then A to Z, and then we will add second level. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your assignment and complete course. Okay, then unit price smallest to largest. Unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. Add second level units price. You can add second level unit price smallest to largest. Add second level is that unit price. You will add the second level. You will follow my video and you will got A+ grade in your assignment. If you do not able to do your assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your complete assignment and complete course with very reasonable prices. Okay, unit price is here. You can scroll down and select unit price is second level. Select units price. Okay, first level is warehouse A to Z and second level is unit price smallest to largest. Then third is that we will see on instruction file, and then we will apply third level is that create a custom sort order for department so it's displayed in sequence. Okay, third is that department, and then we will create a custom sort training, athletics, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. Okay, click on add level and click third level. We will add a third level is department. Okay, then click on custom sort, right click on it, right click on this, and then we will add custom sort. I am also handling many students courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your complete course and complete assignments. Okay, create a custom sort. Orders of department. I am doing this assignment very slow because you will understand well. Okay, custom sort. Now we will add this custom list is here. Custom list is given in the instruction sheet. You can read this. Training is first. You can copy this and paste here in custom list. Custom list is training. You can tap at training. You can tap training to your ING. Your IN. And second is that complete list. You can tap here complete list training athletic apparel athletic apparel athletic apparel A double P A or EL A double P A or EL apparel athletic apparel. And then third is that footwear. Third is that footwear after footwear. And for this fitness, and then outdoor gear, outdoor gear, outdoor gear, OUTWR. Outdoor gear. And then twice is last, and then press OK. Outdoor gear and then add twice TUIS. Okay, and twice. This is good now, and then press OK. Then again press OK. Table will be sorted. You can press again OK, and then the table will be sorted here. Now moving on next question. This question is completely done. You will follow my video and you will got A+ grade in your assignment. Now moving on question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 6 is that remove duplicate records from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Basically in this question we will remove duplicates records. Then we click on table design and then click on remove duplicates record. Okay, then all record will be removed, that's duplicates. Okay, click on table design, click on remove duplicates, then press OK. Click OK. One duplicates value found and removed, 78 unique value remain. Okay, then press again OK. Then press again OK. Duplicates record will be removed. Now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. In question number 7, create an unqualified structure reference in column G to determine the value of inventory on hold. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the units price and the amount on hand. Basically in this question we will create an unqualified structure reference in column G to determine the value of inventory on hold. Formula is that unit price and the amount price. Unit price multiplying by amount price. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Moving on Excel workbook first, then create a cluster unqualified structure. Okay, you will enter a formula and then multiplying by unit price, multiplying by amount on hands, then inventory value will be found here. First we press is equal to unit price. Formula is given in the instruction file. You can read the formula. Unit price multiplying by amount on hands. Amount on hands. To calculate unit price and the amount on hands. I am doing this assignment very slow because you will understand very well and you will learn from my video, to seeing my video. If you do not able to do your assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this assignment for you with very reasonable price. Unit price multiplying by amounts on hands is in column E. You can see this amount on hand is in column E. Multiplying unit price multiplying by amount on hands, and then inventory value will be found here. Okay, then press enter. It will be show all inventory values in here. Unit price multiplying by amount on hands, and then press enter. You will see inventory values in column G. Okay, you can see this. I have done this question very well. I have done half assignment. Total question of this assignment is 11 and I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can see these grades. I have done this course for my one student and he got A plus grade in their assignment, simulation and exam. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email easily. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access, writing, economics and many more courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email for your help. I will be available 24 hours. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.